If you're thinking about taking the IELTS test, you've probably heard that there is academic IELTS and there is also general training IELTS. So which one should you take? Well, let's start with academic IELTS first. If you want to study at a university in an English-speaking country, you will probably need to take academic IELTS. This is required for most undergraduate and postgraduate programs. For example, if a Thai student wants to study law in England, they would need to take academic IELTS. Now let's talk about general training IELTS. If you need IELTS for work or immigration, then general training IELTS is probably the right choice for you. So for example, if an engineer from India wants to move to Canada for work, they would probably need general training IELTS. So those were just some general rules to help you, but make sure you always check with the institution or the place that you're applying to so you know 100% which IELTS you need. You don't want to get it wrong because you're going to have to do the test again and that will waste your time and money. So which IELTS do you need and why? Comment down below and I'll see you next time.